Hello, Ruth from AKM Cleaning Services. This is Joel from JND SEO, and I'm going to show you 3 ways you can improve your website and beat some of your competition online. And at the end of the video, Ruth, if you have any questions, I can answer those for you. If not, you can take the tips and strategies I'm going to give you and apply them directly to your site. We're going to talk about 3 topics today, and we're going to talk about content, backlinks, and citations. And the idea with these really being that if you beat your competition with all 3 of these topics we'll cover, then you'll be able to beat them online as well. So the first topic we're going to cover is just content. So I'm on your homepage. You guys do have a nice looking site here. You've got your ratings on the top. You've got your submit form. You've got all your other pages here with all of your services that you offer, as well as a few specials that you guys have going on, and a few updates with a few more services. You guys have a very nice looking site. Google recommends having about 1,500 words of content. So this is what they really care about, all this, right? And you guys definitely are short of the 1,500. You probably have under maybe 300 or 400 words of content right now. So definitely adding some more content would help you out. Now I'm also going to show you the Maids Worcester because they're one of the top results online. And if I show you their page, we're going to see they do have a good amount of content here, but they don't have anywhere near 1,500 either. They're much closer, I think about 800 or so. So they're not anywhere near that. That's a good thing for you because it means you could still beat them. And you don't just want content, you want to make sure you have keywords in the content on your page. So if I put a search for Cleaning Services Worcester MA, this is a keyword, and keywords are just commonly searched groups of words, right? So I know this search right here brings in 90 people every single month that will search this exact phrase, Cleaning Services Worcester MA. So you want to have this on your page, this keyword, so that you can be found for this search. And so really what we want to do here is you want to make sure that you have these in your content. And the other thing Google looks for is they want to know that they can trust your website. So if I take your website, akmcleaningservices.net, put it into a program that I pay for called Ahrefs, this just allows me to kind of see how your site's performing. I see you've got your headers up here on your page. This is a good thing. It allows Google to find you a little bit easier. And then we really want to focus on these 2 dials here. And this UR number is Google's trust in your site, and the DR number is the power behind your site. So the way to get those is by having backlinks and referring domains. And so right now you guys have 162 backlinks, and those backlinks, when you click on them, it's going to redirect you back to your site, just like this this address would right here, this link here. And you have those on 30 referring domains or 30 other websites that you guys are linked to. You're linked to those sites through backlinks. So right now, a great example would be like a Facebook business page, right? That would be a referring domain if you have it linked to your AKM Cleaning Services. Now where you put your web address on the Facebook business page would look just like this, akmcleaningservices.net. And when someone clicks on that, it's going to redirect them to your site. Now with 30 sites pointing back to yours, that's giving Google some trust in your site because these sites are saying we vouch for this site. We can see of the 30 sites that you guys have pointing back to yours or linked to yours, 23 of them are strong sites. So that's a really good ratio. And with 23 strong sites, I should say, pointing back at you, you're getting a trust of 17. Now that's allowing you to have about 35 keywords you can be found in searches for right now. And that's bringing you about 3 actual visitors to your website every single month right now. Now, I do want to compare you guys a little bit with the Maids Worcester because they're one of the top results. And the idea being we have to beat them in order to climb the rankings and get to the top. So we see their headers up here. Now, they have 702 backlinks on 99 referring domains. However, of the 99 domains or referring domains they're linked to, only 31 are strong. So they're pulling really 31 sites here of strong power from them, giving them a trust of 26. Now they do have a lot more keywords on their site, so they're being found for about 460, partially because their trust is a little stronger. And they're bringing in about 182 actual visitors to their website every single month. So how do we compete with them, right? So the real idea here is that the referring domains and backlinks are the most important part. So we can actually look at their referring domains. We can find their 31 strong sites. We can go to the sites. And a lot of these, you just have to go to the sites, create a profile, or log in and become a member for those sites. And you can have the same sites pointing back to yours, giving you the same trust, and you'll get the same backlinks pointing back to your site. And then once you get all of their strong ones, we can get the same ones as them. If it works for them, it's going to work for you. Then we're going to add more on top of that so that you can actually get ahead of them. And that's all going to help you for this organic section down here. All right. And so just to recap, the organic section, this is going to come after the map section. We'll talk quickly. 3 ways to get on any first page of Google. You could pay for ads. You can get on this map pack through citations. And that's just getting your business name, address, and phone number all listed into a directory site. These are sites like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Home Advisor, or your social media like Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. And they're going to get a lot of calls by being the top 3, and they show up on this main search page. Under the map section, we're going to have all of our organic section, where you're going to see the maids coming up first, then followed by the Merry Maids, and then some other companies. You're going to have 10 results per page, and you'll have a few more ads at the bottom here. Now, to get here, you want to have 1,500 words of content with keywords in that content, like Cleaning Services Worcester MA, so we can be found in searches for those. And you want to make sure Google trusts your site by having strong sites pointing back to yours. To get in the map pack, we want to have citations, our business name, address, phone number, all listed in other websites so that we can beat these guys. If they have 30, we want about 130 to beat them by a lot. And you can also pay for ads if you guys wanted to do that. All right. Thank you for your time, guys. Thank you, Ruth. I'll give you guys a call in a day or so just to check in and see if this was helpful, as that was really my point of all this, was that this would be helpful for you guys. Thank you for your time and have a great day.